Forget Grok. This free AI video generator is simply the best. It's the best free AI video generator you're going to see in the internet today. Okay, let me quickly show you how to navigate to it. So we'll go to the Chrome, our browser, then we'll type Dgen AI, Dgen AI or Dgen.ai. So this particular one that has this sign, this particular one now. So we click this. Okay, we need to log in. Then to log in, I'm already logged in. So if you're signing up the first time, okay, let's just sign up. So you get everything you need. Okay, let me input my email. gmail.com. Okay, let me send code. So you enter it, the code, and click continue and put your password. Okay, put your password in two places. The match. Sorry. Let me correct my password. Okay. Then we set password. Fine. So register successfully. So those are the process you're going to follow. Just enter your email, get the code sent to your email, put and log in. So once you log in, this is what you have. Okay, you look at the plus sign, look down close to the plus sign. You see that thing that you see where it's written RM3. Click at it. You see this one that has free. All these ones now are paid version. The Clink, the Sora, the Sedans, the Grok, the View3, and all of them. So this one that has free one, Real Motion 3.1 Turbo. So just click at it. Okay, so click the plus sign to add your picture that you want to turn to video. Upload video from gallery, any place you want to upload your video from. Choose my first video, so this video done. Okay, let me put my prompt. Okay, so make him to say I don't generate my video. Go and do yours. Okay, make him to say this in a Nigerian pidgin accent. Pidgin accent. So this is my prompt. Let's see how it goes. So our video generating. Let's be patient and wait for the video to be generating. So one good thing about this is that if you exhaust your limit, you can use another email to create another account and still keep on generating your videos. As simple as that. So once anytime maybe they said you reach your limit of generating videos, you can actually say, okay, you log out from this account, use another email to sign up for another account and still continue generating your videos. So let's just be patient and wait for it to finish generating. Yes, our video generated. Let's play it and see what happens.
I don't generate my video, go and do yours.
Yeah, that's just it. So
I don't generate my video, go and do yours.
It's okay, Mr. Man. So yeah, that is the prompt we gave to it, and it just did it. So you can decide to change the prompt and tell it what to do or what to say or what to add in the prompt, and it will do it for you. So now we are done. The next thing we're going to do is to look at the download button down, facing down. Just click at it and let's save it. It's saving. It's saving. It takes a little time to save, because there are other persons trying to use the app to generate videos also, so it's not only us, so that's why it's taking a little time. So yeah, then you save to your, can click save video or save to file. So I like saving to file normally because I upload from my file to my YouTube or wherever. So I'll save to file. It goes here. Okay, I'll just click save. It's saved to my file. So you can still remove the video and regenerate. So let's check our file and see whether it's there. Our file, my file. So yeah, this is the video.
I don't generate my video, go and do yours.
So this is just it. So you can generate a lot of video from here. From here you generate your videos, you generate and keep editing your videos in your InShot. From here you can save it up and put your InShot and compile it and make a full video. So this is just how to do it. So if you have problems in any of the steps on how to create the videos, or how to your prompting, or any place you're having issues, please let me know in the comment section and I will see you too. So if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe to our channel, as we'll be dropping more videos on how to use free AI tools. Thank you.